Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Assist. Today's video is based on how to recover or restore your email on Yahoo Mail. So for that, first you need to go to a login page. Now as you can see that I'm already logged in. So on the profile page, go to your upward right hand side corner and tap on the mail. So on the inbox page, there is an email. So tap on it and there is an invitation from Change Velu. So here you can see that my email looks something like this. Now for example, if you somehow deleted it, so here you can see that there is no email. So in case you delete your email, don't panic. All you need to do is go to your left hand side corner and there is trash. Tap on it. So here you can see that your email is here. Now tap on it. So the email is as it is. There's no change. So all you need to do is tap on these box on the corner and then tap on restore to inbox. So now go to your inbox and you can see that your email is restored again. So your email is as it is, and this is how you can restore your email on Yahoo Mail. And that's all for this video. If the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.